Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, wheel locks, power lift gate, brake assist, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, overhead console. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.